Today we are looking at Rohacell's P60 kit. It's a speaker upgrade kit for select Porsche models. It's very exclusive. There's 911 of these made, and if you're a Porsche fanatic, you would know that the 911 is one of their most iconic cars of all time. From here, inside the box, is what we have referred to as a front stage upgrade. What that means is that these speakers are designed to replace the primary speakers in the vehicle, everything in the doors and dash. From here, you can see that there's two large 8-inch mid-bass drivers that sit in the bottom part of the front doors there. There's a pair of 3-inch mid-range drivers that sit very close to the 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the door. A pair of 1-inch beryllium tweeters for the top dash locations. And then finally, another mid-range meant to replace the center channel speaker in the center of the dash. This product is a very limited run. There's 911 of these made, hence their iconic 911 car that they've been producing for decades. This one is 539 out of 911. On these things, they have the plugs for that made up to the factory speaker harness plug. So there's no splicing or anything like that when these are installed. They're designed to be drop-in. So you will notice that the mid-bass drivers and the mid-range drivers each use the same type of material in terms of their speaker cone. This is Rohacell. It's a structural foam that's extremely lightweight, so it's very musically accurate with mid-range and mid-bass reproduction. So Rohacell opted to use beryllium for their tweeters. And the reason why is it's an extremely light material, just like the cone of the woofers and the mid-range drivers. What that means to you at the end of the day is that it's extremely musically accurate. It doesn't color the sound like inferior materials would. It can actually stretch upwards of about 40,000 hertz, which is far above what we as humans can hear, but it does influence the resulting sound. It's hands down one of the finest tweeter materials that you can use. This kit is designed to run off of aftermarket amplifiers. The fact that they don't come with any sort of crossover, which is generally something that acts like a traffic cop and directs the appropriate signals to the appropriate drivers, we had to think outside the box and use amplifiers with technology built in that allows us to carve up the sound and send it to the appropriate drivers for optimum performance. This particular kit is going into a newer Porsche Carrera T. And Carrera Ts are known for not having any sort of premium sound system installed, meaning no Bose, no Burmeister made their way into his specific vehicle. He heard about this kit here and loved it, knew it would be the perfect upgrade for a car that never came with any sort of premium sound.